Hello guys, welcome back to Faint Lines Tutorials. Today on this new episode, we'll be talking about how to create our Gmail account. A Gmail account is also known as our Google account, where we can send and receive mail from either from companies, from our loved ones, family, and well wishers. So without beating around the bush, we'll go straight to the point. We are going to be using Google. We'll type on mail. Create a Gmail account, you tap on it, and then below you can see sign up for a Gmail account. So you click on the create an account. Here you are having your first name. Well, your first name might be Joseph, and your last name might be um, Bernard. Joseph Bernard. So what name are you going to suggest? You pick a name, Joseph Bernard 120. Now they say it has been taken, so Google is now suggesting we use the one that is available, so we can click on it if you really want it. Then we click on a strong password. Make sure that your password is strong, and then we look click on the second one. Then we go to next. Here you have to input your mobile number. You can see already it's showing Nigeria, so it means I'm actually in Nigeria. Recovery email is optional. You can click on a recovery email if you want. So I'm going to click on this former email that I had before. Your date of birth: I was born September 25th 1995. Gender: I'm male. So you click on next. Now you have to read all through this while we process it. You click, you read. You make sure that the terms and conditions are in your favor and you can work with them. So I click on agree because I've actually read this before and I agree to what they are saying. So we wait a while for it to load and tell us if we were successful. And now we'll go straight. Here is our what. I want to save my password so that anytime I come online, I can be able to click on it and then just input without putting my password. So this is my page for now. Welcome, Joseph Bernard. Manager, you can see. So I now have a Gmail account ready for use. So anytime someone wants to send an email to me, I might just click on my username and send to the person. Thank you very much for paying attention. I hope you enjoyed the information and tutorial. I hope to see you next time. Thank you very much.